Hi everyone, Micah here with Fons and the tip of the day. Did you know that you can actually confirm existing appointments and confirm appointments during creation for your clients, eliminating your clients to do anything at all? I'll quickly show you how. One thing you do have to be is a verified provider. If you are not a verified provider, just reach out to us and let us know, and we'll do a quick review of your account and get you enabled for that feature. It does have a couple other features as well that go along with it, like the ability to be able to instantly charge your client. So like I said, just reach out to us and let us know. We'll be happy to turn that on for you. So for a new appointment, just go through the steps as always. Fill out everything you need to here, and you just toggle on auto confirm. The one caveat, make sure that your client has a payment method on file, because if you auto confirm for them and there is no payment method on file, you may not get paid for that appointment. So just double check to make sure there is one on file. Just going to the client and checking under the billing section. So that's how you do it for a new appointment. For an existing appointment, just to open it up, click on Actions, click on Manage Attendees. If it is a series that you want to confirm the entire series, not just the single appointment, make sure to toggle this on. What we're going to do is actually remove the client from the appointment, and we are going to re-add them back in while auto confirming. No emails go out to your clients, so no worries there. So a series, apply to the series, toggle them out, click apply, go back to, and as you see, it removes them from the appointment. Manage attendees. Click on the attendees, apply to the series, auto confirm, apply, and now every appointment in the series is confirmed for your clients, making it even easier for them. Hope you enjoyed the tip of the day. Stay tuned for more, and if you need more detailed information, step by step, it's in our help and support area as always. Thanks. Have a great one.